sum of n terms of an AP2. Example, the first term of an arithmetic progression is 8, the nth term is 68, and sum of the first n terms is 228. Find n and the common difference. Calculation. We know that first term a is equal to 8, nth term an is equal to 68, Sn is equal to 228, n is equal to what, and d is equal to what? Nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 68 is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 d is equal to 68 is equal to n minus 1 d is equal to 60. Let this be equation 1. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 d. On replacing the given values, we get 228 is equal to n by 2 of 2 into 8 plus 60. N is equal to 6. Now, replacing n is equal to 6 in the equation 1, we get 6 minus 1 d is equal to 60, or 5d is equal to 60. Therefore, d is equal to 12. Hence, values of d and n are 12 and 6.